This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell icon for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the SSD in your Toughpad FZ-G1. First thing you want to do is pull the battery lock and set that aside. Now there are screws holding the SSD cover down. Use your screwdriver to remove them all. Set the cover aside, and now there are two screws on the SSD itself. Since this is just an example video, I'll remove and put it right back. And that's it. You want to reassemble the two screws onto the SSD and the four on the cover. Same way. And we're all done. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.